General Secretary of Heibong Makhong Development Association (Hmda) Muhammad Majibur alleged that the government office of Heibong Makhong under Wabagai constituency remained non-functional, contributing to the failure of government schemes. The statement was made during a special coverage by a team of local journalists in relation to developmental projects at Heibong Makhong under Wabagai constituency. Speaking to media, Muhammad Majibur claimed that the primary health sub-center Kelakong building has been converted into a residential property by the public, resulting in a lack of doctors and nurses. He further highlighted that the water supply system in Heibong Makhong Mathak Kongjil under Public Health Engineering Department (PHED) is dysfunctional and fails to provide potable water to the locals. Now, Muhammad Majibur stressed that the villagers are facing dire conditions due to the impracticability of using Imphal River water, while the old water supply schemes in Heibong Makhong Mathak is also fully covered with thick grasses at the moment.
Maruina Heibong Makhong ki Praja Singi Awaba Kayada Daka Public Health Center Primary Health Sub Center asi Lanai Gyo Karana Yumwin Relation Kraga Doctor Amadi Nursing Laktana Function Todana Lady Basi Atoba Matam the function to Hanbina Bagida Makta Langaka Amadi Marilina Department Sing the Hajari Aduga Heibong Makhong Makale Kai the Lady Ba Water Supply asi Nasidagina Sarana Chahi Pungi Mamandagi Prajadi Sing Pidana Lagli, Adugi Marathana, an over new building construction tower of Matum the show, say he Amagamakai Hele, construction Loikiba, the Bohajo Prajadi Sing Pidana Lai, Haiba, Sing Pidriba se, Atoba Matamda, Sing Pibiraga, Prajada, Apabi Sing Pibi, you had na Lengaki, Makeda, Noluna, Puning Singsinjari.
Meanwhile, assistant teacher of Heibong Makhong Primary School, Muhammad Amit Ashayid, highlighted that over the past 3 years, more than 100 students have enrolled. Following the retirement of several teachers, he has taken on multiple roles, now serving as the sole teacher. Currently, 28 students are enrolled, but he faces challenges in managing the school and has appealed to the state government for timely intervention.
Ida hana ko yi za hom nei rem za hom nei rem ngai kida satra 100 abat phau lai rami adu hujikti mathang oja si thabi rak tabani na jun tha sida oja hana in charge mai ram ne adu loi gre chat kre ai katanga hore huji ji ai in charge thok tre hujik hana anda ki oina 28 student taktam thagale hoina oja su lai tabani na school se gi program yamna atre infrastructure si yade adu building si yade sina maram oiraga angang makai su laktre da lapo matamda ngang chen gi matamda dagi chak tong matamda dagi piron gi lai su matamda kharga dum lai marang marak tangan ahum mari malak pa mari malak pa nong ba do tara mai khilai thong tak badi agoi puk chu tholak tre hanak thola mi angang ga thoi na character ni na ado angang gi lapo kan interest lai ne na baina chen gi kharga dum pi ba oja awat pa thabi ra ko pami doga building gi chu lai chalaga mati chana thamaga ngam baram chana lai hen ba pami.
Muhammad Islamuddin, advisor to Hmda, expressed dismay over the incomplete road construction along the Mayang Imphal Thana to Kelakong Kongjil stretch, spanning 5 kilometers under PMGSY. He noted that while approximately 2.5 kilometers from Thana Thongkong to Maibam have been completed, there remains a gap of 1 kilometer from Heibong Makhong to Kongjil. He urged the concerned authorities to prioritize the completion of this crucial road section. Muhammad Islamuddin also urged the government authorities to expedite the construction of the Bailey Bridge at Heibong Makhong Mathak, stressing that the work assigned to contractor PHED has been stalled for an extended period. He emphasized that the delay has been causing significant hardships for the local residents. Despite submitting a memorandum to Wabagai MLA Dr. Usam Deben, he lamented that the community's demands remain unmet.
Heibong Makhong gi sabi ri bat thong asi siga order thong ni na bat thong punamak loisan khare adu ngasi ekhoi gi thong asi Makhong khara haiba horamaga ngasi phoba makha taba thabak cha thabida dana bengul lokok adagi Kelakong Heibong Makhong santhen ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅꯤ